approach them, any man who tries to approach them.
Yeah.
So it's taken as everybody is so guarded.
Yeah.
Correct.
You don't meet. I mean, I remember when I used to speak to my mother and my grandmother and my sister, and we've all grown up. Going up to a girl and speaking to her and having a conversation was a normal stuff to do. But today, I mean, I'll give you a little example. I come from a Fauji background, and we have this thing. Whenever you see a girl or you meet anybody elderly, you just say hello, good morning, good evening. If you're passing by. So I entered a lift, and there was this young girl. She must be about 21, 22, and I entered in and I was like, hey, how are you? Have a good day. So to my utter surprise, the question she asked me was, excuse me, do you know me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm like, no, I don't know you. But the fact is that, I'm just wishing you that you have a wonderful day and you have a great life. And, I don't want to be rude or I'm not intruding. But everybody is so guarded. And it's the men and women, we are not going to be happy if we keep hitting out at each other.
Yes, yes.
Very well said.
That's my main thing.
And
Truly
that
said,
is
truly said.
Sharanya. I mean, that's why every year we have male achievers, male teammates. I mean, we always involve them. Aunty Nanesh বলে না একটা বাংলায় কথা আছে একটা সমাজে পুরুষ আর নারী যতক্ষণ না হাত ধরে আসে
একসাথে হ্যাঁ
সেই
correct.
Most of our sponsors, they're also men because
Exactly.
apart from them, we are nothing.
Exactly.
Our concept
সত্যিই
has
তাই
been
সত্যিই
I
তাই
was just saying one of
But
our
without
achievers
that
is the
support, nothing will be done.
Exactly, exactly
And we
so.
also need
Exactly
a figure
so.
to spread this awareness because আমি ওনাকে পছন্দ করি from the role সংঘর্ষের supporting role হিসাবে. He has always been a supporting role to a woman. তারপরে ভাগবানে again supporting role, and then he has been a connectivity in season 1 of Indian Idol and Saregama-pa, মানে সবকিছুতে নিয়েই উনি কিন্তু awareness spreadই করে গেছেন, and he has always been a connectivity with the audience. So he is the best figure for us to spread this to.
So there's another thing that I would like to admit here. A lot of people don't know, but I have a bit of my roots in Calcutta.
yeah.
My father was in the army, and there is something called an area called Fort William.
Yeah.
So I have lived here for about 2 years. Dad was posted here. My sister is also incidentally married in Calcutta. She stays at Hungerford Street, which a lot of people don't know. But she's traveling with her husband. She's in England right now. So Calcutta, Shiliguri, Dibrugarh, Itanagar, and Dimapur. So I've lived 7 years of my life in the eastern part of India, and I must say, पूरा हिंदुस्तान एक तरफ and the beauty of eastern part of India completely एक तरफ. किसी को idea ही नहीं है कि how beautiful the 7 states of India on the eastern part are. They have no clue because बॉम्बे वाले खंडाला लोनावला जाते हैं, दिल्ली वाले शिमला तक चले जाएंगे, नीचे चेन्नई वाले I think कुन्नूर कुर्ग और इन सब जगहों में चले जाएंगे. It's only people, who've lived here will realize. And I feel, this part of the country is extremely beautiful, amazing, and amazing people. Women are beautiful and very hardworking. Men, okay.
And we have a specialty. We like brain with beauty, normally beauty.
Completely agree with that. Completely agree.
अमन जी मैं आपको एक आखिरी क्वेश्चन करना
आपकी
चाहूंगी.
हिंदी इतनी साफ कैसे?
I don't know, I love Hindi to talk, to write also.
जी बहुत खूब.
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है हिंदी बोलना, हिंदी लिखना.
बहुत कम लोग हैं यहाँ पे जो हिंदी जो है भाषा सही ढंग से बोल पाते हैं, और मैं तो मुंबई में इतने साल
मैं कोशिश करती हूँ. I don't know whether I'm not fluent,
बहुत बढ़िया बोलती हूँ.
but still I try.
जी जी.
तो मैं आपको एक लास्ट क्वेश्चन करना चाहूंगी. बहुत सारे लोग हैं वो लोग भी आपसे बात करेंगे. जो औरतें, द गर्ल्स, द लेडीज, द वुमेन, दोज हु वांट टू कम टू फैशन इंडस्ट्री, आप उनके लिए क्या बोलना चाहेंगे? क्योंकि सबका अलग अलग जॉनर होता है. तो स्पेशली अभी नाउ आई सी द गर्ल्स दे आर मोस्टली इंटरेस्टेड इनटू कम टू फैशन इंडस्ट्रीज. आई मीन आप इसके बारे में क्या बोलेंगे? इसके लिए प्रिपरेशन कितना करना पड़ेगा? व्हाट actually exactly they need to know?
But when you say they want to get into fashion, means
Right.
as a
modeling as a designer also, of course, and also as actress also. Especially into modeling. Especially into modeling.
मेरा ये मानना है आप किसी भी प्रोफेशन में जाएं, I think there's a certain amount of discipline that is needed. एंड आप उस डिसिप्लिन को अगर फॉलो करेंगे यू विल इवेंचुअली गेट द प्रोफेशन, बट फॉलोइंग द डिसिप्लिन इज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट पार्ट. क्या होता है कि हर प्रोफेशन का एक डिसिप्लिन होता है. इफ यू वांट टू बी अ बॉक्सर, there is a certain amount of exercise, certain amount of food, there is a certain amount of boxing से connected बहुत सारी चीजें आपको सीखनी पड़ेंगी. Similarly with fashion, if you want to be an actor, now it's theatre that you're looking at, or it's OTT you're looking at, or it's television, or it's commercial cinema. ये चारों जो genre हैं अलग हैं, सबका अपना अपना तरीका है. How you get into it. थिएटर के लोग अलग हैं, एक्टिंग करना थोड़ा सा अलग है. एक्टिंग इज एक्टिंग, आई एग्री, बट ये समझना